to my channel for today's video. Ayan, magsusot tayo ng salamin ko. Kunwari maganda tayo. Tiyan! So, ayan, wala tayong maisipang luto. So, titingin tayo sa ating refrigerator kung anong meron. Pero meron akong gulay dito. Ito lang. So, titingnan natin kung anong magagawa nating gulay. So, ayan. So, meron akong saging dito. Ayan, oh. Ito lang yung aming prutas. So, ayan. Titingnan natin kung ano makukuha natin sa ref. Para ano yung maluluto natin. So, ayan. Shoutout nga pala. Meron ng ref si lola nyo. Ayan, titingin tayo kung anong laman ng ating ref ngayon. So, ayun. May nakita. Ayan, guys. Empty. Walang laman. So, ayan. Kukunin natin yung isda. Ito. Oh, sukat ko. Frozen. So, maybe this one only. Kasi magugulay ako. So, ito lang yung laman ng ref namin, guys. So, sorry. Walang laman. So, ayan lang. Aming stock corn at saka may fish. So, ayan. So, ito lang muna yung luluto natin ngayon. Ito yung isda. And then, meron tayo ditong, tingnan natin sa loob kung anong laman. Ay, ko, sure. But, yeah. This is only a isda I have. Eggs. So, ayan. I get the tomato and I want the onion leaves. So, ayan. So, you see, oh, walang laman. Charot. Bigay naman. So, ayan. Tomorrow is my birthday. Charot. So, ayan ang ating gagamitin. I like this one. Onion leaves. Fish. Nagsasabaw tayo ng with ito lang muna. Pababad muna natin siya kasi too much frozen. So, ayan. Social na yung lola niyo meron. Huwag may ingay. Charot lang yan. So, ayan. Bababad ko muna. Ayan. Babad muna natin to kasi too much frozen. Oy, may cup is ano. Asking the food. So, meron tayong isang kamatis at sibuyas. Sasabaw tayo mga. So, ayan guys. So, ngayon, ang ating susunod ay magdidingas tayo naman dito ng charcoal. So, ayan. Yun yung wala sa amin yung kalan. Yung lutuan. So, ito lang muna. So, ayan. Mag-antay kayo dyan at ako ay magdidingas. Kunwari, social ng lola. So, ayan ha. Ay, close muna natin yung curtain nito kasi nililipad ng hangin. So, may curtain is green. Green. So, ayan, magdidingas ako muna ng apoy. So, wait lang kayo dyan mga langga, ha? Hindi. Too much windy. So, the dust is flying over. So, ito yung gagamitin ko, charcoal. Apoy sa aming lutuan. Oh my gosh. And after that, ang gulo na. Mayroon talaga magpalit yung kusina. So, ayan, maglilinis ako ng isda. Aba, ang taas ng aking, yan. Baka matumba naman yung aking, ipiprito ko muna siya, guys. Ipiprito ang aking tuna fish. Oh, this one is too much big. I want to fry this one first. So, bababad natin. My cat is asking the food now, but we did not eat the food. So, ayan. Babad muna natin siya. I will put the salt. This is our salt. I want to fry it. Kasi wala tayong magawang content. So, ito lang muna. Tapos, ganda. Lagyan natin siya ng yan. Yan. So, ito lang muna, babad natin. Ito na, prepare na natin. Saka magpiprito tayo, di ba? Prito. Oh, ang aking background ay ang aking Mingming. Hello, baby. May cat. So, yan. Dito na naman tayo sa charcoal. Charcoal. So, yan. Magluluto tayo dito. Charcoal, guys. So, yan. Prepare na. So, we just wait. So, yan guys. Sa mga hindi pa po nakasubscribe sa aking channel, please subscribe and click the bell button para updated kayo sa aking mga videos. So, for now, I have more live than to my videos. So, I was thinking what I'm doing to, I was thinking what content I'm doing, but I try for now. So, here, I fried the fish before I put the vegetable, the rest. I have a one piece of fish and I fry, and then the half is I put the vegetable. So you look what I'm doing for now. So, ayan ang pagtitipid natin guys kasi mahira the lahat ng mga bilihin natin dito is too much expensive. So, kailangan natin magtipid, tipid, and tipid, and tipid. So, ayan. Magpa-fry muna ako and just wait and stay tuned. While I'm waiting my kettle, waiting for my kettle, I will cook the rice here. So, social ang lola nyo, may rice cooker na. Okay? Improvement ba? So, ayan, magra-rice tayo ng okay, dalawa. This is 2 cup because of, together with my cat and my 2 dogs. So, stay tuned again and I will wash this one. So, tayo, ready na natin yung ating rice. Rice. So, we put here. So, thank you nga pala sa sponsor ng aking rice cooker. Yeah, my darling. Thank you so much. This is a rice cooker, okay? So, we wait. Hope that the light is not gone out. Okay? Here. So, prepare na. So, yeah. No time waste. While we are cooking the fish and cook the rice together. So, while eating my fried fish, so ayan, I will prepare this vegetables. This is saloyot. And one ampalaya or bitter gourd. And I put later a small amount of malunggay. So let's eat. This is how the way I cook for now. So ayan. I have a cooking rice. I'm waiting for the fish fry or fry fish. So while this is it. Okay, it's ready prepare. Yung ating one slice of fish. Fish. Mas gusto ko yung malaking isda guys kasi no bones. Kasi nahirapan ako maghimay at saka I have an experience to have bones in my in my throat. I experienced already go to the hospital for the bones. I have bones in my throat. So that's why for starting for that time, I buy only big fish because so that avoid bone. Just frozen. So, ayan. Nakaprito na si lola nyo. Aray ko. Ayan. So, too much smoke because of the wind. Because of the windy. So, ayan. So, ayan. Stay tuned again. And again for my next. So, ayan yung ating pritong isda. So, ready na. Parang na-overcook na yata. So, ayan. We looking if it's ready. The other side is good. So, ayan. Naka-ready na siya. At sibuyas. So, ilalagyan na natin siya ng isda. This is only I put in the soap. And done. So, this is it. And we put, close, and put it in the, oh my gosh. So, ayan, naka-ready na yung ating kettle for the vegetables. I put a small amount of fish para meron na namang lasa yung ating gulay. So, ayan guys. So, stay tuned again for the next. Oh my gosh. Stay tuned again for the next. Lumilipad yung aking cortina. Kumukulo na. Kumukulo na siya. Ang pangit na mukha ako. Okay, ito yung aking vegetables. Put here. And cup. So, ayan. Ito na yung ating nausok-usok na gulay. See? So, ayan, tikman natin. Ayan, guys. So, magre-ready na tayo ng kain. So, ito yung ating fish. Ayan. Meron tayo ditong mansanas. Saka meron tayo ditong banana. At ito yung ating rice. So, ayan. Thank you so much for watching. Let's do it now. So, kain na tayo. Prepare na yung ating gulay. Thank you so much for watching. Love you all.